Hello and welcome. In this lesson, we'll look at how to apply templates with Google Docs. Okay, let me open a new window. Let's look for Google Doc. Google Doc is here, so I click on it. And then this window pops up. We have the option to create a blank document like we did earlier. And then we also have option to explore templates. Let me open these templates. And you can see that we have a bunch of templates here. We want to customize resume. The idea behind template is that it's like a done for you document that you can use, that you can adapt for your own purpose. So let's look at resume. These are internationally recognized format for resume. Let's look at this. When you click on the template, it will load up and then you have it. You can see the resume templates. It has experience, it has education, it has projects you have done, and on and off. So all you need to do is just to change. All you need to do is just to change all this to suit your own personal needs. Let me go back. Let's look for another template, maybe a project proposal, for instance. Let's open up. Your company name is here, the project's name, overview. It has given you important critical headings that you must develop for your project. Your project, you have an overview. There are goals or objectives, specifications, milestone, how you want the object, the proposal to run, the project to run rather. So all you need to do is just to add content to these major headings, or add your own as you so wish. Let me look at invoice. I think yeah, this is brochure. For instance, you want to design a brochure for your organization, for your school, for your church, for your mosque. You don't have to get or employ somebody to do it for you at very, very exorbitant cost. You can do it. You look at this template. It's beautiful. All right. And then all you need to do is just to change all this. You can change this image. For instance, if I right click, replace image, for instance, if you have the image on your computer, you can upload image from your computer. If you do not, and you want to use image from the web, let's see what will happen when we click image from the web. So Google is here. Let's say we want to put a computer, for instance, computer. The images that Google is going to suggest for you are free images, so they do not have any encumbrances, or what do they call it now? They are free images that you can use. So if you click on this and you click replace, it will just automatically replace that image with a new one, and you can change the wordings, and you have your organizational brochure. So it's as simple as that. Let me go back and what again? Sales. You have an essay to write. You have a template here. Let me click on this and see what the template looks like. Yeah, the background color is there. The fonts, the font colors are there. The images, introduction, whatever it is, just change all this, change the content, and you have a design for your reports, for your projects. So that's how you can use the many templates that you have on Google Docs. You also have templates in other Google products, Google Sheets, Google Slides. So when we get there, we'll talk about them. Okay. So I'll see you in the next. You can just play around with all this. Okay, let's see. A lesson plan is here. Let's see what it looks like. And whatever it is that they put here is of international standard. So, but we have our own template for lesson plan. But however, there is no crime in looking at what they do in other climes, because we might find ourselves in the UK as a teacher or in Canada as a teacher. It will not be strange to see how they format their lesson plan. Summary, the subject, the topic, the grade level, the objective. I think this is consistent. Implementation, learning contests, procedure, and content, that materials and resources, assessment. I think all these are consistent even with our own lesson plan. So, which is fine. So you can come here and look at the different templates and play around with it and make it your own. I will see you in the next lesson.